How to use fill tool in Archicad to modify and edit elevation. So in this elevation, I will go to design. I need to go to document and then activate fill. So I'll select fill. I'll change this on to So when you change the type of fill, I'll change to the first one. I think there's several options. I change the first one, and then this one I'll change to blocks running. Then I'll use that, and then here and use that. All right, then you can holding shift. You can see it will change to that. Then you place there. Yeah. So this, let me select these and change this to block. So you need to then let me repeat what I've just done. Select fill, then select the type of fill. I select bulk running, blocks running bond. Then here I'll select block. For doing this here, I'll select this, and then you can either insert by using a polygon method or insert all the four corners or rectangular, all read it rectangular. But this time, I want to fill in this enclosed area, so I will hold space bar in my keyboard. You can see that it is turning to magic wand. Then I will pick the internal points where I want to insert my fill. That one. So this one, it did not appear proper. So let me undo it. Is measure not found, okay? So this one I can use polygonal from that point and point and point. Then I go back to the origin just to show that the format that we have. We have these blocks there. And here I can just hold space bar. Again, it changed to magic wand and inside there, no internal, no region found. Let me do it here. Okay? And then if you can do it here, okay, no internal point found. There. Okay, like green guy, bet between then this one I can change the color to be none. Then I can pick this point here, then subtract. I want to subtract this one here. Set what's down, puppy. And the problem. You big fucking it'll be it's mining. How after that. Then again, gosh, ever it then do the same thing here. You know, and not the sound of the third the ripple, huh? What is that? I will take this point. Then I'll change to this. But first, we need to. I need to remove this portion. So I'll pick here. You subtract from that point. That point, but to that point. Okay, that has been subtracted, then I'll pick here. Then I want to insert, I want to insert a new node. Or but now, yeah, sure. I want to insert a new node. I'll pick this. I'll pick the field, then pick that point. Then I'll change to this insert new node. I want to insert a new node at that point. Again, pick insert new node at that point. And I'll pick here, then I want to I'll pick this midpoint. Then I want to have edge. I'll carve it that way. And we can change the field back from that to that. Okay? Then I'll do the same thing. Now I'll go to fill tool. Then change it. Then just use now this time rectangular. Okay? That we need to indicate that we have this beam here. So I will change now the fill to means change the fill to foreground. Then a new space, then that point. Yes. So this fill I need to change to let's say that color, just to indicate that we have a beam there. Again, activate fill tool. It's change this one, that color. Holding space, it's changed magic one. Okay? Holding the space in your yeah. So that it changed magic one so that you can insert in these internals. Here we can just use rectangulars. So I'll just drag it from there. Okay? Okay, now we have a steel foundation here. Up to that point, then I will drag it by 200. Move, drag a copy. About 200. Enter. Then I want to draw a polyline. This time I want it to be 600 by 200. Enter. Change the polyline color to black. Then move. Drag it. I want to drag about the midpoint. That move, drag about this midpoint. Dot midpoint. Again, I will move. Stop your building. Move, drag the copy on this edge here. Dot edge. Now this time I want to activate the fill tool. I want to use line method. Change this one to I want to change it to fill stone. I think fill stone 0, 0. Let me show you. I will change to Finstone 0102. From that point, this is now polygon. Okay? Then to that this point box in the origin. Now we're having columns here. So this column I can use different type of fill. Let me use fill tool. Foreground. I will use that color. Holding space, change magic one. Then um just undo it. And then we can just move these move drawing multiple copies. And just indicate that these are columns from the move going to the foundation. And then hold Control and cut the push on. Um, that's all. Subtract using these. Do the same thing. Subtract. Place that and then face this minus. Subtract from polygon. Okay? Now I'm again gonna use the same fill tool to change our roof. Activate this, then change this one to on ground, change this one to that color black. And this one to none. Or any other color. Let's say we color white. Then change this one to I want to change to roof tiles. Roof tile, this type, and then you can use polygon. So make sure I forgot to say this sounds very important. Go to settings. Make sure this one is drawing so that it will not affect your 3D model. You don't need to alter anything, so make sure it's in drawing. So it will stay here, and then I can come, then I need to delete those. Let me just undo that. If we are deleting that, but if you go to the 3D right now, this is currently is a drawing. Even if you delete, it will not delete it to your model. So let me delete and show you. We go to the models and see nothing is deleted. But if you do the same thing here, if it is not drawing, it will be deleted. So we don't need to change our model or anything. Let me change back to setting. Let me change back to auto to build model. Then we come to all 3D. I think it is this here, right click, select. I want to delete those coverings. Then let me go back to that. Okay. All right, here now, here. Go to settings, make sure it is drawing so that changing your drawings will not now this time affect your model. Here, I can just join these points. Here, 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 here. Then the point. Here, here. Then here, they can go back to field. Here, holding space bar. Change to magic wand. roll, roll, yeah, roll, roll, yeah, yeah. One truth. Still preview on to activate split cones. Then line selection settings. Let me use 41. Turn off. On T. Keys to and then this one I will change. Right click, select and activate tool. All okay. I want only to select these fields. And I want change this on too. That color. Okay, now this I will delete polygon. Subtract about this point. I'll change to polygon. To now again, I will add fill me escape on that point. And point. I give you. Okay, and then again, changes on now this time to that color and then subtract polygon. Oh, you subtract polygon from that point. That point. See, you go. Oh, be here. Yeah. Now, that's how we can enhance our so let me add another fill here. So maybe you can come to fill, change this back to I want to change it to something like wound. Let's say apply wound. Then hold control to change this to magic one. Then start there. Not control, I'm holding this space bar. And then click where I want preset. As long as this, if the region is at having enclosed lines, so it will be able to add. That will be it for me today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Don't worry, right?